Hi there, this is Ashok Bui, and I'm a certified spoken English trainer with more than 13 years of training experience. And today I have come here for another important and confusing grammar topic, and that's called demonstrative pronouns in English. So here we go. First, we'll understand what is demonstrative. We have heard the word demo is something like showcasing or kind of a sample, kind of a test. Yes, so here we can take it like showcase or indicate. And you're all aware about what is pronoun. Pronoun is nothing but it is a replacive word for a noun and it comes under pronouns actually. Yes. So demonstrative pronoun, it comes under the section pronouns. So here many people get confused. But when this, that, these and those, so here we will get the solution for that. So here is the first one. This, which is used for one, near and visible. So something that is like singular, near and visible. For that we can use this pronoun. So here you can see here is an apple and a person. The distance is very less. Nearby. Yes, we say near. So this is an apple, one, and near. You can see this. Now, this is a water bottle. This is a water bottle. Or another example I can give. This is an ink bottle. This is an ink bottle. You can see this, which is near one. Yes. Now after this, here we have next one. We can call it that. One, which is singular, and away from the speaker or the person. Away. Now look at this. Here is a person and here is an apple. So there is some distance. Yes. So we can say that is an apple. One and away. That is an apple. One and away from the speaker. So is that clear? The difference between this and that. This is for one particular thing which is near. That one and away. Distance is there. Now there is one more pair. These and those. So third one is these. So these means plural, multiple, many more. Okay, plural or multiple, and which is near and simultaneously it is visible. So you can look at the apples. Apples are there, small and big apples are there. Yeah, so there is a little bit distance. Yes, so I say these are apples, many more and near. Okay, so I would like to give you another example. These markers, or like these are markers. These markers will be demonstrated adjective actually. So here you can say these are markers. These are markers, many more and near. Now after this, the last one, which we can call it those. Many more means plural and away from the speaker. So look at this. The person is here and many more apples. Yes, and there is some distance. Okay, more distance is there. So we can say those are apples. Many more and away from the speaker. Yes, those are shops. Those are kids. Those are, we can say, temples. Like that. I hope that you understood the difference between this, that, these, and those. If you like the video, share, subscribe, and follow for more videos. Thank you so much.